Welcome to the future of vehicle diagnostics. Let's start by introducing this game-changing tool. The DAS723 PRO ULTRA, with its impressive 10.1-inch display for gigabytes memory, 128 GB storage, Android 11 system, and built-in Wi-Fi. It's a powerhouse of innovation. Now, let's dive into how easy it is to scan a Renault vehicle with this remarkable device. Power up your DAS723 PRO ULTRA by DaTo. Connect your VCI in Wi-Fi mode. Wait as the DAS723 PRO ULTRA smartly identifies your Renault's model. Begin the scan with a single tap. Instantly, the DAS723 PRO ULTRA communicates with your Renault's onboard systems, providing you with real-time diagnostics. It's that effortless. The DAS723 PRO ULTRA, your trusted partner for Renault vehicle diagnostics. Whether you run a bustling garage or are dedicated to meticulous vehicle maintenance, the DAS723 PRO ULTRA is your key to efficient diagnostics. Contact us today and make the DAS723 PRO ULTRA your garage's ultimate tool.